Hi, this is George from Digital High Road. In today's video review, I'm going to be covering the new product by Erica Stone called Follow Me to AdSense. We take a look at the sales page. I'll take a look at some of the course, the offerings, and the instructions from Erica. We'll cover the pros and cons of the course, and we'll also go over what I think of it through the eyes of a newbie, a senior, a beginner, someone that hasn't maybe been involved with trying to make money before. If you like the video and we're done with it, please give us a large thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, while you're at it, reach over and hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish a new video like today's video. So without waiting any further, let's move on into today's video subject, a review of Erica Stone's Follow Me to AdSense. We're going to start out looking at this product by Erica. I'm going to look at the sales page real quick, and then we'll move in to a couple of the PDFs that are sent out. I'm going to explain to you how this program is set up. As usual, Erica is very, extremely detailed in her directions to you, the customer. And this is about AdSense. And so this whole course is about basically creating a blog of your own where you're going to be monetizing it with Google's AdSense. So if you don't know about AdSense, this would be a good place to learn about it. If you do know about AdSense, I just want to warn you, if you're a beginner, a newbie, or a senior, that maybe AdSense is something a little bit farther down the road for you. Maybe it's not something that you want to be doing right now. I often look at it as an add-on. It's an add-on for extra income once you get a site or a blog built up to a point where it gets a lot of traffic that is necessary to create the income from AdSense. However, and we'll move on, this course is directly about creating a blog to specifically niche down, if you will, to a certain sub-niche that'll get a lot of traffic. And as you do, your primary source of monetization will be using AdSense. So with that in mind, let's move on and we'll look at the sales page here a little bit more. Okay, so as you scroll down the sales page, Erica is always honest and upright and forthcoming with what she is selling you. She talks about selling you, giving you instructions, detailed reports. The reports, she shows you where they're going to come from. And then she also provides details on setting up your blog. She has picked out a certain blog. She has picked out a certain theme that you can pick out, and she also is providing a clone page for you to get set up on WordPress, which gets kind of detailed, and we'll go over that in a minute. This is Erica here, and we're going to be dealing with AdSense. Now, it's going to be 15 lessons presented with step-by-step instructions, and these step-by-step instructions are coming and in an email form, as an email form where you provide a download, and you can look at that. Let's move into that. We would look at that real quick. I'll show you how the email came in and how I deal with the email and the instruction. So the way you receive the class is like today's number 5 comes in an email from Erica. Then click on this, and what you'll get is this here. And this is the lesson 5. You can scroll down through, or you can come up here. What I always do is right here, this one here, is I download it. I download it to my folder where I have the other ones. That's how you receive the lesson. That's how I take care of the lesson. Okay, so you see how that's downloaded. Now, just remember, we're going to be dealing with cloning a WordPress site and theme. The word WordPress plugins will be installed already for you. She's also going to provide 50 niche ideas to help you get started, because she knows, having been in courses with her before, the niche is the basis of success or failure usually. What you're picking to write on is going to be very, very important to you. And then reports, and of course, she always provides a 14-day money-back guarantee. And I do want to make sure that you, if you're not familiar with Erica, that Erica is one of the vendors that will give you back your money. If you aren't happy with it in the first 14 days, simply ask for a refund and she'll give you a refund quickly and efficiently. I know that for a fact. That's usually within 48 hours you'll have your money back into your account. So that's not going to be a problem there. Now, she's going to give you an example of what your first PDF looks like if you're not sure, but I'm going to show you what that looks like. There's some testimonials from other people. We're going to be talking. Now, here's the thing. Common questions. Go through and answer these questions as I work through the course here. Now, the course is laid out over a 30-day period. I only have the first 5, 6 emails because the course only came out about 10 days ago. There's only going to be so much of the course that's been issued already. As it's issued, you'll be getting the next couple of days directions on what the next step or a couple steps are for you. Contents delivered, we'll show you that. And how do the emails start? They started the day after you purchased the course. The emails were there. So again, if you click on these, you'll get the answers to what your question is. And I also want to let you know that you can contact her at any time. And I know for a fact, if you use the email address she gives you, she'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Guaranteed. I've never seen her go beyond. Let's move on into the first PDF. I'll just give you a feel for what the directions and how detailed the directions are. So we're going to look at a couple PDFs that are basically 2 of the 5 lessons that I've received so far. Lesson number 1, this is what they look like. Every one of them will look like this. And you can see it in the sample at the beginning. It's a step-by-step instructions. And then I'll show you just quickly. Contents 1, you can click on these and it'll take you right to the, but there's niche choices, and she goes through 50 niche choices, which is really, really good. If you don't have any idea what you're doing or what niche to pick to go after for AdSense, she explains about the AdSense type choices and the niche choices that'll work well with AdSense and why they work well with AdSense. So in the next PDF, this is lesson 3, email 3, installing the AdSense and the files. Now this lesson alone is prime Erica, if you will. This is what she is really good at. She's very detailed. Her instructions are pristine. And if you get lost, she'll help you out. My concern with this particular course is that AdSense is a little bit more than you probably need as a beginner. But if you are 2, 3, 4 years into your internet experience, it'll be a great course to buy into, to go through the course, through the instructions, so you can add AdSense to niches you have already. Now, she does have a video tutorial, which when you go to that is excellent. She is relatively a stranger to video. Not stranger in the fact that she hasn't ever done it, but she doesn't like doing it. I give her my hats off to her for doing this. This is a 13-minute, 44-second. The video, I thought the instructions were done very well and in great detail, enough that you would definitely have an idea what's going on in lesson number 3. So as you look at lesson number 3, then you'll have the instructions you need to do what you need to do. So as I was saying, the details are in the video for you. But the thing that concerns me is if you're a newbie, a senior, a computer challenged person, you may have trouble understanding SQL databases. There's a lot of instructions in here that took me probably 3, 4, 5 years of basically running into a lot of these things. So I understand the instructions, and she'll be there to help you. But if you're a newbie, you probably don't need to be taking this course at the moment. But if you're more experienced and you're looking to add on, I would say this is an excellent course for you to have a part of. Now I want to take a look at basically the first 5 lessons are choosing a niche, choosing a domain name. Lesson 3 was setting up your theme, which is what we're looking at right now. And then setting up a secured website and everything that's involved. And number 5 was basically going through organizing your site and setting up categories to create the blog that you need to create. So in summary, the Erica Stone Follow Me to AdSense course is an excellent course, excellently laid out by Erica. It's easy to follow. You'll get emails every other day with new instructions as she walks you through the instructions. You'll be building your own AdSense website, as it says here, in 30 days. And I know from past experience that Erica is very detailed and excellent in following through with everything that she teaches you. If you have problems with that, you can contact her and get straightened out if there's a problem. Anyway, so I just wanted to let you know that I guess as a newbie, I would rate this as a 7 out of 10 for a rating system. My only reservation for a newbie or a computer challenged or a senior would be the attention that would be taken off of your other course of action, I guess, that you need to be taking to become successful. I don't believe AdSense in itself is a means to an end. I know AdSense is, I think it's a great income add-on, but I don't think it's a main revenue generating strategy. So I guess as a newbie, if you can work it out with your skill level and add AdSense to maybe some property you already have built or are building, you can take what she's teaching you and add it to that. That would be very beneficial. If you want to create and take the time, I kind of would recommend not doing that. I have done that. At one point, a couple years ago, I was trying to build 4 or 5 websites over a matter of a couple months, spending time here, spending time there, and it doesn't really work that well. So I guess if you have the time and the energy to just spend on building a website for AdSense as the course takes you through, it's a good way to build. I think the course basically is a good way to build your knowledge of AdSense and what it takes. And if you want to incorporate the entire instructions from Erica into your business, that's up to you. So like I said, as a newbie, for the excellence of the course and the detailedness and the reports that you're going to be getting, copies of your own Google Adsense, Google Search Console, and Google Analytics reports, I would say it's worth purchasing the course from Erica. Just want to remind you that there is a link down in the description for this course from Erica. It's an affiliate link of mine. I would appreciate you clicking on that if you're going to buy the course and buy it through that affiliate link. That would be much appreciated. I want to thank you today for watching the video. So that's it. That's my review for Follow Me to AdSense by Erica Stone. Thanks for watching the video. I hope I got some value from the video. If you did, please give us a large thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And while you're at it, reach over there and hit the bell icon. Tap it a couple times firmly so it ensures that you get updates. Every time I publish a new video to our channel, you'll be notified of that. Thank you for watching, and so long.